नॅशनल हायवेचे इन्स्पेक्शनाक आयिल्ले.
काल आम्ही रिव्ह्यू घेतल्या विथ चीफ इंजिनियर वॉटर सप्लाय, चीफ इंजिनियर नॅशनल हायवे, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट, वॉटर डिपार्टमेंट सगळे. कित्याक देर हॅज बीन कंटिन्युअस डॅमेजीस फॉर वॉटर वे लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर सफरिंग बिकॉज ऑफ वॉटर सप्लाय. उदक सोल्युशन काडपाक आमी वेगळे वेगळे इनोवेटीव प्रोजेक्ट्स काढले विच कॅन सप्लाय वॉटर टू पर्वरीम. But the highway work development जेन्ना जाता, we can expect certain things to happen. But the turnaround time for them to repair should have also been in that particular part. Yesterday we have had a coordinated meeting with Chief Engineer, Water Supply Chief Engineer, Roads, Highways, so that this type of occurrences do not happen, which are problematic for every resident who is staying here. आम्ही मागीर टँकर धाड, आमकां कोण फोन मारता तांकां सर्वीस करून घे, हे आमची टीम करता खरी. आमचे पंच मेंबर जावं, सरपंच जावं, झेडपी जावं, हांव जावं, आमची ऑफिस टीम जावं, सगळें करता. प्रॉब्लेम येता की दीस कॅन बी अवॉयडेबल. And if this can be avoidable, it can be coordinated efforts between the two departments, water supply, highway, and the other coordinating agencies like आमचो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. इलेक्ट्रिसिटीन भितर खणून उडयले, थंय उदकाचे थोडे पायपलायन फोडले. सो हे सगळे काल मिटींग घेवन रिव्ह्यू घेवन वी हॅव पुट इट इन पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह. एवरीबडी हॅज सडनली स्टार्टिंग पुटिंग द थिंग्स इन प्लेस. We have asked CE, National Highway and CE Water Supply to have periodical 8 to 10 days meetings. So these are reviewed and such type of issues do not arise. Secondly, हांगा flyover जाता आसतना the highway contractor and the highway team they had certain concerns of their service road which is finding a bottleneck for the people to travel. So ताज्या खातीर तांचें कितें सोल्युशन आसा, कितें जाता ताजे इन्स्पेक्शनाक आयिल्ले along with me our ZPs, our sarpanchas and punch member will come so that we are able to find an amicable solution. Service road disturb न करता if we are able to find a solution to this, let us find out ह्या हितान आमी फुडें सरल्या. Let us see how we are able to progress in terms of this part. We have been supportive to the National Highway thoroughly so that the work is completed because it's a dream project for all of us. At the same time, the contractors should be more responsible. तांच्या इरिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी खातीर आमकां त्रास जाता आनी हे नॅशनल हायवेच्या लोकांनी समजून घेवन योग्य तरेन तांचेर they have to give direction so this type of irresponsible or careless work does not come up. I will write to the concerned people also so that this type of things are on record for the type of works that have been carried out which is also causing a lot of problems for our people. आम्ही periodically every 8 ते 10 दीस बसून traffic management सगळें पळयल्याक there is hardly any problem in terms of the traffic moving towards Banjul city in spite of the development work happening. So here I should give due credit to every department, whether it's traffic, police, highway and the rest of them, that they have been coordinating well to ease the traffic and our reviews are allowing to give more suggestions and make it proper. But important is more coordination between the contractor and the National Highway engineering team, which we have told them, the department, to ensure that that coordination happens. कित्याक आमकां ऑक्टोबर पर्यंत सोंपयतले जाल्यार there are challenges and the challenges बरोबर करतले तांचें आमकां सहकार्य जाय so that the locals are not disturbed. डेव्हलपमेंट जाता आसतना जावपाक आमी सपोर्ट करता पूण लोकल शुडंट बी डिस्टर्ब इन टर्म्स ऑफ वॉटर गेलें, लायटीचे प्रॉब्लेम जाले, हें जावंक जायना. पूण ताच्या खातीर काल रिव्ह्यू घेतिल्ली आनी आज ऑन सायट इन्स्पेक्शन घेतला.